Today we're going to be reviewing Armor All's Oracle Red Bull Racing Wash and Shine soap. This soap can be used in your spray foam cannon or in a bucket. Of course, we're using Chemical Guy's foam cannon gun. This has the hydrophobic, long-lasting ceramic protection. So when you're done applying it onto your vehicle, it should give you a nice beading effect like it was just washed. We'll see if that still works in this formula. It also has other synthetic waxes to intensify the shine. Let's see how it smells. It doesn't smell terrible, but it doesn't smell great. It's supposed to have a tropical shine, or tropical smell. But I don't really smell much, but like I said, it doesn't smell chemically. Once again, Armor All's Oracle Red Bull Racing Wash and Shine. Links in the description below if you want to pick some up. If you can even find it on Amazon. If it's not on Amazon, I'll have a link to something else. But every link supports the channel. I make a couple pennies. So let's go ahead and let's bring it to the car. All right, let's see here. We got bird poop on the rear fender. A lot of hard water spots on this car. Here's the mirror. And not sure if you can see it or not, but man, this fucking Gresham water is destroying the paint on my cars if I don't dry it off. There we go. See if that will be removed. And let's do the front, because the front's always, not every car gets beat up. All right. Let's give the car a quick rinse. And after the rinse, I'll bring you closer to see that it's not waxed yet. Okay, so let's just give it a quick rinse. Okay, there's the trunk lid. You can see it's not really beating up. And if you can see on the sides, it's actually not in too bad shape from the last time I sprayed the car, but here's the hood. All right, now let's just see how it looks after we use a ceramic wash on this car. All right, Armor All suggests that you mix 3 ounces into your bottle. So let's just go ahead and do a count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Cheers to all our dead cars out there. If you know, you know. Go ahead and get this filled. Let's give it a good swirl. All right, now let's go and spray the car and see how it foams. All right, guys, so the foam on the car is pretty thin, right? It's a pretty thin foam. It reminds me of the Armor All ceramic wash that I always like to buy, like 12 bucks a bottle, that gives your car a nice coating, and it's perfect for winter time when it rains a lot. So we don't have a lot of thick foam like we do with the car wash Chemical Guys product and some other stuff we use like Adams, but this isn't really a high foaming concentrated wash, right? So let's go ahead and give it one more spray, and then we'll spray her off, and then we'll see how well it works. All right, guys, after the first spray, you can see it's nice and beaded up. Looks good. It did remove the bird poop here. Now, honestly, on the hood, I didn't spray the top of the mirror because I don't feel like getting the inside of my car all soapy. Here's the hood. You can see how well it is beating up. And then the front, it got most of the bugs off, but not all of them. But that's okay. Let's see if we get a close-up of the actual So that's what it looks like after we sprayed it on. All right, guys, thanks for watching the review. It's actually a really good product. Cost $12, I believe, when I bought it at Kroger. Here it is again. Armor All's Oracle Red Bull Racing Wash and Shine, applied with Chemical Guy's Big Mouth foam sprayer. Check the links below. As always, thanks for watching. Give me a thumbs up. Give me some ideas on what you want to see a review next. Give me a subscribe if I earned it. And I'll see you on the next video. Peace.
Finding contractors shouldn't be a gamble. Welcome to the Alux Home Network. Get private bids from top-tier professionals. Manage your entire project in one place. Home services, finally fixed. Join the future of home services.
Leave the city behind. Welcome to your night. No more campfire stress. With Wildfire Starters, 15 minutes of heat. It catches effortlessly. More time for family. Soak in the cozy warmth. Memories made simple.